Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you come across this video. I still remember myself, Bayomi Philip Okegbemi, on Facebook, TikTok, and my YouTube channel, Mighty Play TV. Do me well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to make a comment, like, and share for more vital information. Thank you very much. This to inform everyone, every Nigeria in Libya, whenever you are, maybe you are in Misrata, you are in Benghazi, you are every state that you have. If you know that you are tired of Libya, maybe you are facing some challenges that you want to go back home, this is on the 8th July 2024. I'm giving you this information right now. If you know that you want to go back home, you want to register, you want to obtain a form, to go back to your country. Now, form is out. Go and obtain your form now. Fill it, and they will call you. Fill the form, and they will call you as soon as possible. That you are already filled the form, they will call you. Form is out now. The form is out. Yes, you can see it on my screen. The form is out. Feel free to go to Nigeria Embassy, go and obtain the form. Maybe it's your community, your union. Go obtain the form, fill it, and they will call you. Yes, they will call you. If you know that you are tired of this Libya, maybe you are facing some challenges that you don't like, or maybe one or two things that maybe you are facing, and you feel like going back home. Go and obtain the free flight form now. It's out now. Starting today now. It's out now. And embassy will be open by 1 o'clock in the afternoon till 5 in the evening. 1 o'clock in the afternoon till 5 in the evening. Thank you very much. Kéré o, fẹ́yìn ọmọ ìyá mi tẹ́ ń bẹ ní Libya ti jẹ́ elédè títí wa, torí pé nǹkan tó kan gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni. My bad. Lè lo èdè títí wa nìkan láti fi sọ, torí kó kan Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ ni. Tó wáyé pé nǹkan tí Yorùbá ni, ẹ ti mọ̀ mí tẹ́lẹ̀ pé Yorùbá ni a máa fi ń ṣe kíni, òun ni ìwúrí nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lórí ìkànnì yìí. Ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé ó ti wù ẹ́ láti lọlé, ó ti wọ́nà kan tàbí méjì láti lọlé, àmọ́ òwúrọ̀ náà, fọ́ọ̀mù free flight ti wà ń ta báyìí. Fọ́ọ̀mù free flight ó ti wà ń ta. Ẹ lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù free flight, ẹ lọ fílẹ̀. Ìní ni ọ̀ndì ọjọ́ kẹjọ oṣù keje ọdún 2024 ó ti wà ń ta. Nigeria Embassy ní Tripoli ó máa wà ń bẹ̀ ní aago kan ọ̀sán títí di aago 5 ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù yìí. Tó bá yí tásìkò wọ́n á pè yín, ẹ sì máa lọlé láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. Ìkéde ta ní ká mú wá fún yín lóní ráńpẹ́ lélẹ́yìí. Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú wa o, ní ṣìṣe o, ní ṣílẹ̀tẹ̀ o. Mr. Mighty ló kọ tèmi jẹ́, Mighty dákú tí ò ṣe é jí gbé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ tẹ̀lé mi lórí Facebook, lórí TikTok, àti lórí YouTube channel mi, Mighty Play TV on TikTok, and my YouTube channel, Mighty Play TV. Ní Facebook, Bayomi Philip Okegbemi ní Facebook. Thank you very much. Adúpẹ́ o, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Mr. Mighty Play TV. We really appreciate everyone. Thank you very much. Ire o.